Meron na?
Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning. Is there any luck today?
Hey, Mama.
Huli sila?
Sailor's choice.
Oy, galing! Wow!
Yay!
Oh,
Very good.
Camera ma'am, hawak niya.
Sailor's choice. Oops! Oh, sarap. Tindik ka na, anak. Patindik ka?
Oo. Oh, parang ayungin, ano?
Oh.
Parang ayungin na malaki. Ay, sarap yan. Paksaw! Ano sinabi?
Sailor's choice. Nice.
Video camera.
Like that, yeah. It's a yellow grunt. Yellow grunts. Ano mo? Hindi mo nakita. Yan. Okay. Tingin. Oh, that's big, ma.
Yeah, it's cute. Oh, it's right at its lip. Oh, come closer.
Yeah. Oh, that's nice.
This is a yellow grunt.
Yeah.
Malatika.
Yeah.
So this is a yellow grunt. Wow.
Yeah. Alright, hey guys, so here we are on a nice sunny black hole day at Johnson's Bay again, located in Smith's Parish, and oh my goodness, I think it's because of the weather recently, but this beach is completely different from what I remember it. So I just remember when I was little, up to like maybe early or late high school, late high school, this was sand, like pure sand, and then this was like all green, and now it's messed up, I think from like hurricanes and horrible weather. So there used to be a lifeguard post. It's a wooden one, but it's not here anymore. And there's a lot of exposed rocks here. It wasn't like that before. And the sand is like, it's not even anymore. Oh, it's been so long. It's crazy how these waves are massive. See that? Or maybe it doesn't look big on the screen, but it's big. There's my parents. They're putting the stuff together, and Yeah, there's a lot less sand than I remember. And a lot more exposed rocks. But it's still a really beautiful beach. Alright guys, so today we're gonna make some fish burritos. And the fish in particular that you saw earlier in the video that we caught are yellow grunts. So my dad already filleted the yellow grunts. So the first thing we do, the pan's already hot actually. The first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna season this. So let's do some of this. So we're gonna get some salt. And then some pepper. Alright, some lemon. Oh no, let's do some garlic first. Let's rub the garlic on there. Alright, and then some lemon. Let's get some lemon there. Alright, and we're gonna chop some cilantro. So let's get some cilantro here. Let's move that a little bit. Just gonna make sure you use the stems. The stems are just as good as the leaves. Alright. Alright, so it's a quick chop of that. Sprinkle some over. Alright, we're just gonna flip this over now and season the other side. That's basically it. All that's left to do now before putting on the pan is we're gonna get one fillet. And then we're just gonna 1, 2. We're basically just gonna coat it and that's about it. And then straight on the pan. Put some on. Alright. Now we get it. Smelling really good right now. Alright, so we're gonna flip some over already. Smells really good. You should get a close up, Mom. Yeah. This one has a great color. You gotta get the other ones looking the same. Get this on the plate now. Ooh, that's a beautiful color. Look at that. Got a close up, huh? Like that's in close up. Wow. Beautiful golden color. Let's go. Oh, it smells so good. It has that beautiful like fried fish smell that it's just so good. Alright, so let's guess the next thing we gotta do. Alright, so let's go start the sauce. So it's a really, my dad likes to call it a special island sauce. So we're just gonna start off with some mayo. It's really simple. So we're just gonna eyeball it and then we're gonna adjust it later when we get a taste. So I'll just make, so we'll have that much. Then we're gonna add some ketchup. Let's get some, yeah, ketchup. Ketchup. Adjust it later. Then some sriracha. I would put much more, but I don't think my parents can handle a lot of spice. And then some Worcestershire sauce. Some lemon. And salt and pepper. Oh. Okay, then we're gonna adjust it to taste. There's a dog barking in the background. Earlier, two dogs, they were facing each other. The apples! Don't forget the apples. Very important for the overall flavor of this sauce. The whole, all the apples? Alright, so now let's taste it with the apples. It's a bit more ketchup and sriracha. It's gonna be good. A lot more salt and just about ready. And that's basically the special island sauce. At least according to my dad. So we already have some tomatoes ready and some onions. So all that's left is to cut up some avocado and grind up some, shred some cheese. Alright, let's do this. Okay, let's see if this avocado is good. Woo!
Very nice.
Oh, that's so perfect. Oh, that's so good. Alright. So we're just gonna use 1/2. Actually, we might not even need the whole half. So just cut that in half. Put that aside. We're just gonna use half. So one. Alright, so that's the last thing we actually have to prep. All that's left to do is to assemble the wrap. So before we do that, we're just gonna put this on the grill for a bit, heat up. So what this does, it makes the tortilla like more palatable. Not palatable. It can move easier. I cannot find the right words right now. All right, it's hot. Let's go. So that's heated up. Let's get some sauce on there. Since it's a small tortilla, we can't make a really big burrito, so it'll be like a little mini burrito. Alright. Ooh, that's a really big bee! So we got some cabbage here.
Cabbage or lettuce?
This is lettuce. This is not cabbage. This is
No,
lettuce.
that's iceberg lettuce.
Iceberg lettuce. Alright, so that should be enough because it's a pretty small tortilla. So the next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna get one piece of fish. We get some tomatoes, some onions. Hopefully it's not too much. If not, we'll do a second take. I like a lot of onions. And then let's just do one of this. And that should be good. So we're just gonna wrap it into a burrito. Oh, this might be big.
That's good.
Alright, so that's one burrito down. We're just gonna do a diagonal cut. Alright. This is, you do a close up on this. Alright.
Right.
I'm gonna bite it. Mmm. Good. It's so good.
Ikaw mo ganun.
I love all the veggies in this. So it's like super crunchy. The fish comes through. Mmm.
You want some too?
Yeah. Okay, close up. Mom, do this. All right. So that's the other one.
Right.
Nice.
Yeah. Look at that. All right. Get you guys to try it.
Good.
Good? Yay. Mom has approved. All right, Dad.
Hey.
Oh.
Try this one. Thank you, Jasmine. Mm. Good. Very
Good,
tasty.
Awesome. Good? Yeah. Got the parental approval. So, my mom's making her own and she's putting a ton of tomato. That's a lot of tomato.
I like more vegetables.
That's a lot. I don't think you'll be able to close it. It'll be like a taco at this
alright.
point. Did you put fish?
No, what? Oh, fish, yeah.
Forget the fish. Mommy like the big one, right?
Yeah, it's really big.
But I'm hungry. See that?
Nice,
Mom.
mommy. Yeah. Oh, wow. Okay. That's mommy.
Ooh. Yeah, my dad's barbecuing some chicken now.
It's good enough for me. My
Yeah.
whole
It's huge,
whole
Mom.
lunch.
Yeah,
Pretty good.
it's really big. Nice.
Ano mo nga sa taas?
Mom. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next one.